What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing, and today we're adding to the Hot Wheels case collection. We're unboxing the 2018 Hot Wheels G case. Let's go ahead, open it up, and take a look at what's inside. And here it is, guys, the 2018 Hot Wheels G case. The super treasure hunt from this case is the tuned 68 Mustang. So hopefully we'll find one inside. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. So we'll pull out about 2 or 3 of a time. Let's start at the top right here. So first one we've got is Blitz Speeder. Then we've got the 2015 Mazda MX-5, the new color. And this is the 68 Mustang. This one, unfortunately, is not the Super Treasure Hunt version. This is just the standard version, but still very cool nonetheless. Very excited to get this car. All right, we'll go up top here. And we've got next the Loopster. Looks like a new color of Loopster. And there is the brand new Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. This is a brand new color. There it is in that white color with the red trim. Looks fantastic. I can't wait to open this up and put it down the top speed test track. Let's go back into the top right here, dropping cars as I'm pulling them up. Next we've got High Beam, and we've got the 70 Chevelle SS wagon, and the car that I dropped right here looks like Rising Heat. It's some sort of fantasy car. Next up we'll go to the top over here. And we have got Rising Heat again, and another color of the Roadster. Very, very nice. Put those aside. And then looks like we've got some new color of Shark Bites. We've got the Bubble-Matic, and we've got the 2012 Ford Fiesta Pawn, the Checkmate version. We'll go back on here. Got some more cars. This was a really cool fantasy car we saw in the last case. I really like it, the Beat All. Then we've got the TV series Batmobile and the 70 Camaro. Very nice car. And we'll go down here again. We've got the Electrac. Looks like an electric supercar, Hot Wheels fantasy car. Then we've got the Nissan Fairlady Z, and we've got the Dunosaur. We'll put those to the side as well. And next up in here, looks like we've got some more of the Ducati 1199 Panigales. We saw these ones in the last case, and there is the Bone Shaker, a nice color of the Bone Shaker. Very, very cool. Put those to the side. We'll open it up from down here. There's a brand new model. It's the 2016 BMW M2. Check that out. Very, very cool casting. That's got to be one of the highlights of this case. And then we've got the Street Wiener down there as well. Put those on the side. And what we have here, we have got the Lamborghini Countach tuned out version, and there is the brand new 2018 Camaro Ss. Very nice. That's a new model. Cool casting. That's a cool one for this case. Crescendo down there as well. Nice pink color of Crescendo. All right, what else do we got in here? Some exciting cars so far, and there is Moc Speeder, one of the fast fantasy cars. We've got the 95 Mazda RX-7, and we've got another one of the 2016 Ford GTs in this blue color we saw in the last case as well. What else is down here? And there we go. We've got the Dinosaur, the Montosaurus. We've got the Corvette C7R, another colorway for the C7R. We've seen this one in many colors before. And there's the Indy 500 Oval, which is the mainline version. It was a super treasure hunt for the last case, but this is just a mainline version. It's been carried over to this case. And we go into the back of the box here. I'm gonna move the box up a little bit for you guys, and let's get into the top right here of this box. Some nice cars there. We've got the Lotus Esprit S1 and the 07 Ford Mustang, and this one you can see is part of the Checkmate series. Very cool looking car. New colorway, new casting. And let's see here, what do we have up top? And we've got 2 of the Rally Cats. There's the Rally Cat and the TV series Batmobile, some cool fantasy cars. And then we've got a new color of the custom Datsun 240Z. Check it out. This is a really cool casting. We're seeing lots of colors of that. Then we've got the Dodge Challenger Drift, and this is the Pursuit Edition. Very cool. All right, we'll put that aside. Some more nice cars I can see up here coming in. Here we go. We've got a new color of the Land Rover Defender double cab. Check that out. Awesome, love that. One of my favorite castings in recent time, and finally we've got a new color. Then we've got the Porsche 917LH. We saw this one in the last case, one of the highlights of the last case, but very cool color and very cool car. Maybe we'll see some more colors of it in the future as well. And next up, we've got the 2016 Civic Type-R in that red color. We saw that one in the last case as well. And this is a new one to this case, the Classic 55 Nomad. Check out the flame job on that one. Wow, crazy. All right, let's go down to the bottom here. And it looks like we've got a new color of the tuned out Chrysler 300C. It's a very interesting look. It looks like a carbon fiber roof on it. And then at the bottom here, we've got the solid muscle. Nice looking casting. And let's see what else do we got in here. We've got Mad Props. We've seen lots of colors and lots of different editions of Mad Props. And same with High Roller. There's another color of High Roller. We get another nice one of him. Throw that down there. And what else do we got? Looks like we've got a new color of the Volkswagen Keifer Racer. A nice new white color of it. Then we've got Ollie Rocket and Velocita. Velocita, part of the Checkmate series. Very cool, trying to collect them all. That's the queen of the Checkmate series. Interesting. And down below, we'll go to the Fast Forward. We've got a Pawn, or Fast 4WD, however you want to say it. We've got two of those. And then we've got the Gazella GT, chromed out edition from the Super Chromes. And what else do we have down here? We've got 32 Ford, and we've seen that one before in the previous case. Same with the Fiat 500. It's carried over to quite a few different cases now. I think that's the maybe third or fourth case in a row we've seen the Fiat 500. So they're really carrying that one over, but that's okay. It's a cool casting. And what else do we got down here? Oh, we've got more of the 2015 Mercedes AMG GTs, the black color variation. We saw this one in the previous case, as well as we saw the Custom 67 Firebird in the previous case, but very, very nice castings. I can never get enough of these ones. These are cool. Awesome, awesome. And our last three cars in this case, what do we got? We've got the Tankinator, we've got the 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT, that yellow color variation. We saw this one in the previous case as well, but some great castings. All right guys, let's see the highlights of the 2018 Hot Wheels G case. All right guys, I sometimes find it very hard to narrow down my favorite 6 from each case, but these are the following 6 cars that I have picked of the highlights of the 2018 Hot Wheels G case. We'll start it off with the brand new color variation of the 2015 Land Rover Defender Double Cab. This is one of my favorite castings this year. I really, really like this one, so we'll add this one as our first car to the top 6. The next car we have is the new color variation of the Corvette C7R. I'm really liking this blue, and I love these wheels on it. They look fantastic, so we'll add that to the collection of the Corvette C7Rs. Next up, we have the 2018 Camaro SS, brand new casting. Loving the wheel look on this casting. They kind of suit the color and the cast of this one very, very nicely. So Muscle Mania 2018 Camaro SS. And next, the new color variation of the Lamborghini Huracan LP620-2 Super Trofeo in this white color with the red highlights and the black wheels on it. Looks fantastic. And next up is the Chevy Nomad, the classic 55 Nomad. Check it out. Love the flame job on this one. It's a great looking casting. I love how they added this one into the case. And last but not least, probably one of the highlights of the case is the brand new casting. It is the brand new 2016 BMW M2. Love the color, love the casting, great detail to it in the front. We will see this one go down our top speed test track in the next week or so. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite new casting from the 2018 Hot Wheels G case. I love reading your guys' comments and interacting with you. I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.
What's up, Peak Timers? This is your boy Phil from Peak Time Racing. I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Now, I just want to make sure you guys are fully aware of the Peak Time Racing brand, which consists of all 3 of these channels right here. We've got Peak Time Racing, which is the channel channel you're on right now. We've got Peak Time Vlogs, which is my vlogging channel where you can find more stuff about my daily life, my family, and a lot more behind the scenes things, as well as Peak Time TV, which is my gaming channel, mixed in with a little bit of a storyline channel with Hot Wheels, some really cool stories and Hot Wheels stuff in there as well. I just want to make sure you guys don't miss out on a video that I post, so be sure to subscribe to all 3 of those channels. I will be doing a monthly giveaway, and all you have to do to enter is post on any one of my videos and any one of my channels that you are subscribed to all 3 of the Peak Time Racing branded channels. I'll be picking one lucky winner each month at random who will receive a prize package of Peak Time Racing branded things as well as Hot Wheels. Thanks again for watching this one. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye bye.